can have a tweet. We can have a tweet. Yeah, we can have a look at SocialBro, which is another social media dashboard, a social media tool, which is very useful, especially for unfollowing and following users on Twitter, especially if you have several accounts. So the thing is with this software is that there's a paid version and there's a free version. The paid version is a cloud service basically, while the free version is the one that you download to your computer, either as a plugin to a Chrome extension or as a program you download to your Windows computer. The difference is that the cloud version, the paid version, automatically synchronize and keep it updated. When you download it to your computer, you have to manually synchronize, as you can see here. You click this one every time you need to update your data, which usually you would do maybe once a day or at least a couple of times a week when you check your profiles. As we see here, we have added several accounts. We have 5 altogether, and can go to this one. And the most practical feature here is that you can every day you can see who are your new followers. And if you go to that section, you can easily follow and unfollow other users. The thing to keep in mind here is if you're running TweetAdder at the same time, it will also automatically show up here, and it will also show as someone you follow. So here's an example that this one was recently following Asteroids, and it's also being followed back, and most likely it's TweetAdder following this user back. But sometimes people are following you, manually or not through TweetAdder, and then basically what you do is that you look at these different users. If you find that user interesting and relevant to follow back, you can click on it and you can see here the last set of tweets to kind of see what kind of user it is. You can look how many followers and how many they are following. And it's easy, you just click on this symbol here to follow. And if also you want to add that user to a list, you just click on that symbol and you get an overview of all the lists that you have in Twitter, and you can easily add that user to one of those lists. Another practical section here is that you can see who is not following you back. So now, naturally, this has a lot of users not following back because we're running TweetAdder on this account. Once TweetAdder is finished, it will most likely not be this high of a number, currently 400. And sometimes it can be good to, for example, you can export this list of users and you can send it to someone else to review it or to see if this is if there's anyone you want to unfollow. Quite practical to do that, to export. You also have several other good sections here that you can see. You can see who is inactive, and you might want to unfollow them if they're not really using Twitter much, for example. You can see who are also influential. This is based on SocialBro's own metrics, and yeah, you can get a good overview over who you might want to engage with. You can also here see who has recently added you, who are new friends on Twitter. or who is new, for example, newbies here. SocialBro also have another really good tool, and that's this one, best time to tweet. It basically calculates by looking through your followers and see when they are the most active, and it will suggest times for you to tweet, and yeah, which times that are really good. When you click on this button, it will start generating, or it will tell you when it's ready. So it's not instant. It will usually after maybe half an hour, it's sort of ready, and you will get a notification that it's generated this statistics. So yeah, whereas TweetAdder is more automatic, this is more for your manual kind of tasks. And as we can see here in the left column here is that you have a lot of search features similar to TweetAdder, and you can specifically target certain users and so on. And I mean, in theory, you can basically do the same thing as TweetAdder, just you can do it manually.